I am Aqib Malik from Kashmir. I am doing graduation in science. Sir, I want to know that how can I get all your lectures and speeches? There are only a few on the YouTube. I think the Indian government has removed most of your videos. How can he get my lectures and debates? Regarding that, the Indian government has removed my YouTube. This is wrong. All the videos that I've uploaded on the YouTube is yet there. That's a misconception. You can go on the YouTube and you can watch my videos. Alhamdulillah. And now recently, on the 1st of Ramadan, we have launched a new website of mine by the address zakirnaik.com. And Alhamdulillah, it is very voluminous. It has got a lot of material. Yet many things have to be uploaded. But Alhamdulillah, besides talking about the activities and the other aspects, Alhamdulillah, inshallah, most of my videos, the videos have been started being uploaded. Most of my videos will be there, inshallah, within the next few months, inshallah. There's a lot of material, most of my lectures. Besides one video, even the script is available. There are two types of script. One is the transcript of the lecture itself. Most of my lectures I've given, it has been transcribed verbatim. It is there. The other is in the book form. There are many books uploaded, or the point form notes that I have. The notes that I make is like a book form. So there are two different types of material in the written form. One is the book, or the lecture notes which I write is as good as the book. And the other is the transcribed notes of the lecture after I've given. There will be thousands of pages of my lectures on the website, and maybe hundreds of hours of my YouTube. Inshallah, in the next few months, all this will be complete. You can go to the website or go to the YouTube and you can watch as many as you want.